How are you, Miss Kathy Bressler? How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you. Yeah, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks for joining us. Oh, you look amazing. So I am so excited and so very thankful for CHI Health's sponsorship for Exposed, right?
Yes.
Like so excited and so appreciative, and we just want to share and have a little bit of a conversation so that everybody else understands what's important and why you sponsor, and a little bit more about you, right?
Absolutely.
So why is it so important personally for you to support an organization like Project Paint and for CHI to support an organization like us?
So for me personally, obviously, this passion started a long time ago. I was a young girl. I lost my mom to breast cancer in my 20s. She lost her mom, my grandma, when she was 9, so I never knew her. So grew up as this was what I supported. Had the opportunity 4.5 years ago to hear those words that no one wants to hear. You have breast cancer. So I had my own journey with triple negative breast cancer.
Which is scary.
It is scary.
Triple negative is like the dirty word.
4.5 years though. I'm 6 months from 5 years.
Yes.
That's key. So so and then professionally, I'm a nurse, work for CHI. You know, obviously care a lot about the care that women get when they're going through their own journey. So yeah, personally and professionally, it's super important.
Good. Well, thank you for sharing that. You've been to our event, right? Like it's a crazy big event.
Oh yeah.
What is one of your favorite memories of attending our event?
I have a lot of memories. Yeah, they're really fun. Yeah, super fun. So I would say, I'm not sure if it's as much about a single memory as it is the impact that it has for me. It's just, besides being fun and hanging out with awesome, cool people in your finest wear, I think it's watching the impact that it has on not just all of the thrivers in the audience, but really all of the friends, family, and coworkers who go, and the sense of empowerment that everyone seems to feel. Just huge inspiration. It just, it always leaves me on a real, highly energetic, we can do this, we can make a difference.
Yeah, I agree. I love our event. Obviously, we do it every year, and it just seems to get better every year, which we're really so thankful to have the support, especially, so important. And so this year, it's a little different. It's Exposed with a twist because we had to be safe. Right?
Yep.
And so we want to make sure
6 feet apart.
Exactly.
Yep.
So it's like we want to make sure we're following those guidelines, and it's a challenge. I'll be honest with you. Our team has worked so hard, as you know, I'm sure the medical community, you guys being in it, it's just a nightmare. COVID-19 has been a challenge in every way you turn, right? And so our event's no different. So we will be virtual. So what are you looking forward to most about the virtual event? Anything that you have?
I think, we've learned a lot about being virtual here in the last 6 months, all of us. And, that's what thrivers do, right? You figure out how to make it work. So from what I can tell, it's going to be an amazing event, and the auction looks perfect. And we are really excited for it. I think it'll be just as fun in a different way.
And we are really looking at, I can tell we've been, everything's virtual, but I will tell you, we are truly pulling out all the stops for everyone, and there will be so many surprises that you don't want to miss. So, another thing is, and as you know, we are so proud to support our community, and how do you see CHI patients benefiting from Project Paint?
Yeah, so as a nurse, I had the opportunity to reach out to all of our navigators, and my personal experience rounding through our oncology areas. I have not met a patient at CHI Health who has breast cancer who hasn't been touched by Project Paint. I mean, if I'm not hearing about the Dare to Thrive retreat and the word life-changing, the chef's table and new ways to eat, or the financial assistance and help with their mortgage at a time where they're so vulnerable. It is across the board. It's just the patients we serve, Southwest Iowa, all the way to Colorado, we are seeing them being touched by Project Paint.
Good. It's
So.
important for us. That's just why we're here, right? And honestly, I do say we would not be able to do what we do without people like CHI, organization-wise, but also people like you and our nurse navigators and the patients, right? It takes all of us to support and lift up this community, and we're just proud to be with you doing that. So why is it important from your perspective or CHI's perspective as a leader in the organization, also as a fellow survivor, is it important for you to support Project Pington? I want to say again this year, CHI Health, I mean, you are a presenting sponsor, you were last year, we are so thrilled for that, but why is that so important?
Well, obviously, it's really important to me.
Yes.
But besides me, the entire organization of 12,000 employees, it's, our mission statements. If you look at your mission statement and CHI Health, it appears they might have been written by the same person. Really caring
That's
for
awesome.
the most vulnerable in their time of need, ensuring that they get the best care possible, taking care of them and their family along the journey to health or to whatever the journey leads. And it's just so powerful for all of us. So there's not an administrator on our team that doesn't look at your mission statement and say, we are better together.
And that's a perfect way to say it. We are, and that's what we hope to do, and we love it. So we love you, we love CHI Health, and we could not be more proud that you're our presenting sponsor and standing with us in this fight to support and lift up our communities. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for taking the time. It's been
Welcome.
great.